All right, let's shift over to Larry from Deltona. He's got a 2006 Toyota Recall. Larry, you're on with Larry Perry. Larry, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Oh, there you are.
Go ahead, Larry.
Yes, I heard there was a recall on the dashboard of the 2006 Toyota Avalon. It's like all cracked and dry. I know it's kind of old, but did you notice any recalls on that?
Well, it's Larry. This is kind of a little short notice for me. It's something. What I would need to do is you say this is a 2006 Avalon.
Yes, sir.
And instrument cluster recall. Well,
It's just the whole dashboard. It's not by the instrument panel. It's just like the padding, the dashboard padding.
Okay, all right.
It goes all the way down the front by the airbag and almost down to the glove compartment.
So interior dash and components. You know what, Larry? I'll tell you what. You're going to have to listen to the whole darn show because I don't know when I'm going to be able to report back, but I will. And I'm going to tell you like this. It would not surprise me because I'm going to say probably 4 or 5 years ago, my wife got a notice in the mail about her LS 460 Lexus. And, Lexus, I mean, they replaced all 4 door panels, the dashboard, the console. They probably replaced $14,000 worth of interior components, maybe more than that, under a extended special policy adjustment. I was literally floored, and that was on a 2007 vehicle. So, wow. but you just don't know, and that's the reason that we have such an incredible database of recalls and technical service bulletins and things of that nature is to help guide us through some of this stuff. But I'm going to look that up sometime during the show when I have a little bit of time to do it. And then if you just keep listening, I'll try to give you some information on it if I have it. If not, I may have to do a little research on Monday to try to give you a hand with it. But it would not surprise me. Toyota and Lexus does not want people, thumbing their nose up at any of their vehicles because of just lousy parts. You know what I'm saying? Because that's not what those companies are known for. But you got to give them.
Can I call you at the shop on Monday?
You absolutely can. But it's really commendable when you see an automotive manufacturer take things that serious, especially on vehicles that are over 10 years old. That's amazing. So you got to give them a pat on the back for that. We'll be back right after the break.
With any problem you may be having with your car or truck, whether you're hearing a sound you've never heard before or your steering wheel is shaking around, we got all the answers for you here on the Magic Mechanic Show. Now to the Magic Mechanic himself, Larry Perry.
Hey, thank you so much. Hey, our last caller had called in about a Toyota Avalon that actually had some issues with a cracked dash and stuff like that. And he had heard that there may be some sort of a technical service bulletin or recall on this thing. So I told him, I said, give me a chance. When I get a chance, I'll look it up and see what the deal is with it. Well, what it is it's not just the Avalons. My goodness, I could not believe how many vehicles there is involved with this. And they're older vehicles, too. Now, from the 2005 to 2010 Avalons, they are replacing dashes in these things because of either they're being sticky where the material is deteriorating or either they're cracking. Now, I'm going to give out the technical service bulletin, the reference number for this TSB, and I'm going to tell you, now listen, this just isn't for this Avalon. I'm going to go through this list of vehicles, and if you have one, it's imperative that you write this technical service bulletin down, and then you're going to need to call your local dealer and give them your vehicle identification number. All right, so I'm gonna start from the far left over here. The first one, now get a load of this, how old vehicles are. 2003 to 2005 Toyota 4Runners. If they have a dash that's deteriorating or sticky or cracking, they're supposed to be replacing those. Now, that's 2003 to 2005 Toyota 4Runner. Next is your 2005 to 2010 Toyota Avalons. Next is your 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camrys. And Toyota Camry HVs from 2004 to 2010. Then you have the 2004 to 2010 Siennas, the vans. And then you have 2004 to 2008 Soleras. So you go and you figure these vehicles are way over 10 years old. Now, these interior panels, now it's got interior panels and trim, but they're mostly indicating dashboard cracked and or sticky. Now, this reference number, I hope everybody's ready. If you've got one of these older Toyotas and you have a dash issue, it's T-TCI-5120. I'm going to read that off one more time. T-TCI-5120. And the date of the issue on this was November the 9th, 2018. So if you didn't get all that and you want to double check with me, just go to larry@magicmechanic.com and I'll give you that information once again. But, you know, for evidently the manufacturer who made these for Toyota, evidently there's some kind of a backwoods deal here to where they're having to ante up and replace all these under some type of an extended warranty, which is equivalating out. It's not really listed as a recall. It's basically what is called one of Toyota's SPAs, which is a special policy adjustment. If you have the issue, all you got to do is give them that reference number and give them the VIN number, and they'll see if your vehicle falls within the category to have that updated and get those parts replaced. Hey, it's free. You may as well jump all over it, right? All right, with that being said, who we got coming up here next?
Hi, folks. Larry Perry here. For automotive information, maybe you got automotive questions on cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. Maybe you're thinking about purchasing a used vehicle, and maybe you just want my opinion. Tune in to the Magic Mechanic radio show every Saturday, 3 to 5 p.m. on wdbo.com. Also, tune in to our Magic Mechanic YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll all get together, maybe fix a few cars while we're at it.